Coterminal angles, we did it with degrees, and it was just you added one full rotation. Either added or subtracted one full rotation, which degrees was 360 degrees. But when we're dealing with radians, it's going to be 2 pi radians. So look at both of these. They're both out of 6. 2 pi over 1 represented as sixths would be 12 pi over 6. So we could keep adding 12 pi over 6 or subtracting 12 pi over 6, and that would give you coterminal angles. So, I'll show you here for the notes. They're out of 6, so 12 pi over 6 would be one full rotation. Half of that would be 6 pi over 6. Half of that would be 3 pi over 6. And between 6 and 12 would be 9 pi over 6. So if we were doing 5 pi over 6, starting here at 0, we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, be about there. 5 pi over 6. Now if we were going negative 7 pi over 6, I'm not going to relabel it with the negatives, but all right, I will. So this would be negative 3 pi over 6, negative 6 pi over 6, negative 9 pi over 6, and negative 12 pi over 6. So negative 7 would start here, and it would go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ends up in the exact same spot. These are coterminal. They end in the exact same location. So again, we're just going to add 2 pi or subtract 2 pi to get the next coterminal angle. But we have to get that common denominator. When we're adding stuff, fractions, you got to have that common denominator. So this one is in thirds. So 2 pi over 1 represented as thirds, multiplied by 3 would be 6 pi over 3. So we can take 5 pi over 3, add 6 pi over 3, and we get 11 pi over 3. This would be a coterminal angle. Now if we want the negative one, we can just subtract the 6 pi over 3, subtract the 360 degree rotation. 5 pi minus 6 pi would be negative 1 pi over 3. So negative pi over 3 would be the negative coterminal angle. This one's in fourths. So converting 2 pi over 1 into fourths, it would be 8 pi over 4. So we will add and subtract 8 pi over 4. So negative 7 pi over 4 plus 1 rotation, which is 8 pi over 4. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1 pi over 4. We're also going to subtract it to get that negative coterminal. Negative 7 pi over 4 minus 8 pi over 4 would give us negative 15 pi over 4. Cool. Hey. All right. Now these are in halves. So 2 pi over 1 represented in halves. We would just multiply by 2, be 4 pi over 2. So we will add 4 pi over 2. We'll subtract 4 pi over 2 to get those terminal angles. So that's 13 pi over 2 plus 4 pi over 2 would give us 17 pi over 2. And remember, you can give me infinite number of coterminal angles. We just need one of each. So now we'll try subtracting minus 4 pi over 2. 13 minus 4 is 9. Uh-oh, we're not negative yet. So let's try subtracting another 4 pi over 2. 9 pi minus 4 pi is 5 pi, still not negative. So let's subtract 4 more. That gives us 1 pi over 2 minus 4 more. 1 minus 4 is negative 3 pi over 2. We got our negative. Fantastic. That's how we do it.